Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And today's video is, I won't really say it's a sad one, but it's an emotional one. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you reasons why we are moving. I'm not relocating, we're just moving one of the niches. This channel was founded onto another channel entirely. I'm going to be sharing with you reasons why I am doing that, and I hope you come along with me to my other channel as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below. I'll see you after the intro. Welcome back, guys. So I have been on YouTube now for a while. Like, I have been consistent now on YouTube for about 5 years. Before then, I'd been going back and forth. I wasn't really consistent and all of that. And when I came back on YouTube, I started with beauty lifestyle, beauty and lifestyle, because that was all the rage back then. And that was the time that the beauty niche was, things were easing down in the beauty niche. People had learned everything they could learn about makeup and all of that. So the beauty niche was dying down a bit, and the lifestyle content was just picking up. But I had so much going on in my life at the time. It wasn't really one where I could vlog and do all of that. So I couldn't really put out content in the lifestyle aspect, and my content wasn't really getting much views. I did several rebranding. I love beauty a lot. I love getting glam. I love, I love makeup. I love anything related to beauty. And so at the time, I was trying to brainstorm to know, okay, what should I incorporate into this channel just to get people, interested. And then I discovered a hack on my hot water flask at the time, how to keep it hot, like to ensure it retains its hotness and all of that. And I was like, okay, I could share this. And I did, and that video took off. I also had a video on prepaid meter issue I had at home at the time, and that video took off. Several others like that. And so I termed that niche Lifehack. And so we did a little bit of rebranding again, and we had the beauty, lifestyle, life hack, and of course YouTube growth. Those were the 4 niches or 4 pillars, content pillars on this channel. I added YouTube growth tips because I wanted to chronicle and document all my experiences on YouTube, how I got my first 100, my first 1,000, how I film my content, just anything, so that it will just be there for posterity. And in all this, my life hack niche is like the most viewed. Like, my best performing videos are all from the life hack niche. I was getting the subscribers, I got monetized and all of that. I was putting out my beauty content, and I am one who has always said, look, don't niche down. Have a variety of things on your channel. Like, it mustn't be just one thing and just niche down to the barest detail, okay? And so with time, I noticed that I was getting a lot of impressions, a lot. Sometimes I would get impressions in thousands, and they were not converting to views. I had worked on titles, I had worked on thumbnails, and a whole lot of things. And so I started doing more thorough research to know what the issue was, and I discovered that the niches on my channel were just too broad and too far apart. Yes, it's good to have a niche or to have a variety. It's good to not necessarily niche down, but you have like 2 or 3 niches that are interlinked at least a little bit, okay? So you could have your beauty, even YouTube growth. You could incorporate it as a beauty channel because you're already on YouTube. You can incorporate it and just interlink it one way or the other and it could fly. But my life hack content was pulling in different audiences, and my video content was pulling in different audiences. Now, because my life hack content was pulling in more audience and I had more watch time, people were watching most of those videos, the YouTube algorithm figured out that, or just assumed that those were like my audience, because you must have an audience that they show your videos to, and YouTube is trying to push you and push you. And so when that audience gets showed my beauty content, they don't watch. So, and those were the people that the algorithm is pushing those videos to. So after a lot of research and consultations and everything, I just finally decided to create a second channel, which I never thought I was going to do, because I love life hack, like easy life hacks. I love sharing with you guys things that can make your life easy. I never knew I was going to love that aspect as much, but I do, discovering new things on the daily. And so I said, okay, we are going to maintain our beauty, our lifestyle, and our YouTube growth tips on this channel, Ludovic channel. And then we're going to be moving the life hack niche to another channel, Ludovic. Okay, so we're going to be having 2 separate channels so that the algorithm understands and begins to curate a better audience for me. Now, I have been advised to delete all my life hack videos on this channel, but I'm very hesitant to do that. I just want to give the algorithm some time to try and even if I'm still getting views from those videos, but just to try and see the direction of my future videos. So this year, 2025, is the last year that we're going to be having any life hack videos on this channel. I have 1 or 2 or 3 more videos that I intend to put up, but that would just be it. All of our life hack content subsequently will be moving over to another channel, Ludovic. I'm going to be leaving the subscription link in the description box. So we are almost 40 subscribers now. I just started it. Please go support, go subscribe, and it's so surreal. It's really, really surreal. I'm anxious. I'm scared. I mean, I've barely had 2,000 subscribers on this channel, and here I am opening another channel. But I am also hopeful, and I am confident that that is the right choice to make at this point. Okay, I'm going to be making a video on niching down versus variety videos. It's going to be coming sometime soon, but I just wanted to hop on here quickly and just let you guys know that we are moving to another channel, and wish me all the best. Come join me on my other channel. Support me here, support me there. It still send me different values. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all those who are going to subscribe to my new channel, Ludovic. Thank you for all those who have been riding with me here. Thank you for your support in every way imaginable, from watching my videos, liking my videos, dropping comments. I appreciate you all. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.